welcome back to my channel Tutelage, a guide to learner. Here, this is Sriparna. Hope all of you are doing good. In my last two sessions, we had discussed few topics on Indian economy, and we all know that Indian economy is one of the most interesting topic or part of economics. So today I am thinking about some different type of session that is basically related to the question answer session, and we are going to start another session on Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board. Basically, at present I stay at Bangalore, so that's why I am starting my new journey with the Karnataka Secondary Education Examination Board, and it is commonly called as KSEEB. This is basically a state board, and like any other board, in this board there are two board examination mainly. So first one is SSLC and second one is PUC. So at first we have to know what do you mean by a PUC. So basically PUC refers to the pre-university course. This is a 2-year course under the 10+2 education system after class 10, and commonly it refers to the class 11 and class 12. So we all know all type of solved question paper of any subjects or the previous paper of the CBSE and ICSE board are easily available on YouTube. But model paper of the state board are not seen very much on YouTube according to my knowledge. So today we are talking about very introductory some question on economics of the first PUC or class 11, and here we can see we are discussing only very short type questions on economics. Okay? So let's take the question answer session and move on the main slide. So the first question, and this is one of the most important and most introductory question of economics, that is, what do you mean by a economics? So the term economics is basically derived from two Greek words. First one is oikos and the second one is nomos. Oikos means household and nomos means to manage, how to manage the household sector. Okay, so economics is basically means the art of household management. Okay, so now going to the second question, what is statistics in singular sense? There are two sense. First one is plural sense and second one is the singular sense, but here we only describe the what do you mean by statistics in singular sense. So in the singular sense, statistics is a science which concerns itself obviously with the collection, presentation, interpretation of the numerical data and the quantitative data. I think this is clear. So now move on the next question. So the next question, that is, what is data? So it is one of the most interesting and most common question of economics. So the data, the term data basically refers to the numerical information about the social and economic activities. And now going to the next question, and this is very much common question or known question to everyone. So who is called as father of economics? So Adam Smith is called as the father of economics. Now going to the next question, name the book written by Adam Smith, that is The Wealth of Nations, and which was written by Adam Smith in 1776. So now going to the sixth question, what do you mean by a scarcity in economics? Okay, so according to the Marshall's definition of economics, scarcity means lack of something or anything. So which doesn't satisfy, okay, which doesn't satisfy our wants, our unlimited wants. So there isn't shortage of fulfill human wants. Okay, so I think clear. What do you mean by a scarcity? Scarcity means lack of something or anything. So now going to and this is very common keywords of economics, that is scarcity. So now going to the seventh question, what do you mean by ends and means? So according to the Lionel Robbins definition of economics, ends means human wants, and we all know that in economics human wants are unlimited, and means refers to resources. So resources are limited. Now going to the next question, what do you mean by a production? So what is production? Production basically refers to the process, basically converting raw materials into finished goods. Okay, it includes raising of crops, forestry, animal husbandry, poultry farming, etc. But this refers to a process of converting raw materials into finished goods. Okay, so now going to the next question, that is, what do you mean by consumption? So the consumption is the act of using goods and services of satisfy our wants. Okay, so now going to the last question, what do you mean by distribution? So in economics, distribution basically refers to the rewards this paid to the four factors of production. We all know that there are four factors of production. First one is land, second one is labor, third one is capital, and last one is entrepreneurship or organization. So the payment for land, which is known as rent, the payment for labor, which is known as wages, the payment for capital, which is known as interest, and payment for organization or entrepreneurship, which is known as profit. So basically distribution includes rent, wages, interest and profit, and that is basically the payment for the four factors of production. I think this is clear to everyone. So we are done for the today's session. Here I haven't discussed the topic in detail because in my channel each and every topic is very well discussed. If any of you are missing, then please go and check my first comment and my description box. Okay, so I will come again with a new session. So if you like my video, so please don't forget to like, share, comment, and please do some support and subscribe to my channel for getting another new session. Okay, so keep commenting. Thank you all. Happy learning.